Hey guys, Jeb Brooks, greenergrass.com. I am coming to you from Washington's Dulles International Airport. Today I'm on my way to Toronto with Porter. I recently put together a video comparing all of the major airlines in the US with their CRJ-200s, and I got a lot of feedback about the Bombardier Q400. So I'm excited to be trying out that airplane on this route. Most international flying out of Washington is on wide bodies like this Airbus A380 or this 777. But unlike these long-haul flights, today's international flight is only an hour, just up to Toronto, so a regional plane is all that's necessary. That said, I really do enjoy just hanging out at the airport, watching the action. How about you? Leave me a comment, let me know. Let's get this flight to Toronto City started. The Bombardier Q400 is a turboprop, and boarding it via jet bridge was a pretty cool treat, at least for me. I'm a simple guy. Just like most regional flying, flying with Porter involves gate checking your bag. That means leaving it at the end of the jet bridge and picking it up on the other side. Boarding is always exciting. It's also somewhat difficult when carrying a camera. It nearly cost me my life. I tripped as I was getting on this plane. That said, I recovered just fine. Porter arranges their Q400 in a 2-2 configuration, and the seat, as you can see, is perfectly fine for a regional flight. Plenty of room under the seat in front of me for my briefcase, and the view out the window is very nice. In fact, this seat, 5D, has 2 windows associated with it.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck. I'd like to welcome all of our passengers, including our VI Porter members, on your flight 726 service to Toronto City Billy Bishop Airport. On arrival in Toronto, temperature 18 degrees Celsius, clear skies, winds out of the north-northwest. Certainly to have you airborne in approximately the next 15 minutes. We trust you'll enjoy your Porter service.
On behalf of the captain and the crew, welcome aboard your Porter flight. Please now direct your attention to your cabin.
Porter Airlines is a regional airline headquartered at Billy Bishop Toronto City Airport. Its route network, as you can see, is focused primarily on the East Coast. Its fleet is made up entirely of Bombardier Q400s.
Fastened at all times while seated. Porter is pleased to offer you a smoke-free environment. As smoking is not permitted, a sensitive smoke detector has been installed in the lavatory. The lavatory is located at the front of the cabin. For your comfort in flight.
There are seats that offer 34 inches of pitch. However, this one has 32. I found it more than sufficient. I was also offered a snack of potato chips. I added some class with a glass of wine. Now, I thought it was very nice that Porter serves their drinks in glassware. I was impressed that even though the flight was an hour, the flight attendants still were able to make it through the entire cabin with both snacks and drinks. It was a very nice touch. One of the best aspects of flying with Porter is the fact that they land at Billy Bishop Toronto City Airport. It's literally in the middle of the city, and to make it even better, there's a free way to get downtown. Keep watching to find out. Now, there are 4 aspects to any flight that I think are very important. First, the seat, and I found it to be perfectly acceptable for this regional flight. Now, that said, the cabin was a little warm. Would have liked it a little bit cooler, but I guess we're flying to Canada. Second, service. It was great. The crew were very friendly and took their jobs very seriously. The food was fantastic. Let me just put it this way. They had me at potato chips. Finally, entertainment, well, there was none, which is to be expected on a flight like this. But if you're flying from Orlando, you might want to bring something, because that's a pretty long flight. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If for any reason you didn't like the video, click the thumbs down button twice and leave me a comment letting me know what I can do better. From my seat, from my perspective here, I think Porter's a great airline. I love the Bombardier Q400. It is pretty a quiet airplane, and the service has been really spectacular. Seat's great for a flight of this length, but I want to know what you think. So leave me a note in the comments. Let me know, what do you think about Porter? Between now and the next time, see you in the sky.